Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are showcasing a motorhome that is the ultimate solution for a large family that refuses to leave anyone behind. This is the 2017 Forest River Berkshire 40BH Bunkhouse. If you've been hunting for a diesel pusher that can truly accommodate a crowd without sacrificing high-end luxury, you are looking at one of the best floor plans in the industry. This is a CARFAX one-owner unit with only 33,000 miles. At 41 feet long, this Berkshire sits on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis and features 4 enormous slide-outs that completely transform the interior volume into a residential oasis once you arrive at your destination. Take a look at the exterior finish. We are looking at Forest River's Ruby Tundra graphics package. This is a premium full-body paint job that uses deep reds, silvers, and blacks to create a sleek, sophisticated look. Because it is a full-body paint finish, it has an automotive-grade depth and shine that reflects the Carolina sun beautifully. There are no vinyl decals here to peel or fade. This is a finish built to stay beautiful for decades. As we walk the passenger side, notice the power patio awning and power door awning that create a massive shaded area for your campsite. You also have protective slide toppers over every single slide to keep debris and water away from your mechanical seals. Now here's a huge value add for the next owner. We have installed brand new tires all the way around this RV. You are hitting the road on a fresh set of rubber, which is a major maintenance item you can cross off your list. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV, marine-grade stereo, and speakers, so you can enjoy the game while you're lounging outside. Throughout this tour, notice the polished wheels and the massive glasswork. From the integrated side view cameras to the sleek rear profile, every inch of this Berkshire indicates it was the pride of ownership. We are going to continue our walk around the rear cap to check out the 10,000-pound trailer hitch before we dive into the basement to look at the massive mechanical systems that make this coach such a legendary performer on the road. Let's move down to the foundation, because the mechanical specs on this Berkshire are truly impressive. You are riding on the heavy-duty Freightliner XCR chassis. Since this is a rear-engine diesel, you get the benefit of full air ride suspension and full air brakes. It delivers that signature floating on a cloud feeling, where the coach absorbs the bumps in the road, making a long day of driving much less fatiguing than a gas coach. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISL diesel engine, producing 380 horsepower and a staggering 1,150 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission with an electronic shifter. This combination is highly respected in the industry for being an absolute powerhouse, capable of pulling heavy loads over mountain passes with ease. When we open up the storage bays, you'll see Forest River's commitment to utility. We have massive pass-through basement compartments. And look at this! We have a slide-out storage tray included. This makes it effortless to reach your heavy gear or storage bins from either side of the coach without having to crawl deep into the bays. For your off-grid power, we have a large Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It is conveniently mounted on its own slide-out tray at the front for easy maintenance. This unit provides more than enough power to run your dual-roof ACs and all your interior appliances while you're dry camping. You'll also find 50-amp service with an included extension cord, a Magnum inverter charger, and a battery disconnect to manage your power efficiently. Setup at the campsite is a breeze, thanks to the fully automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. Just hit the touchpad and the coach levels itself perfectly. To keep you safe on the highway, the integrated camera system with both rear view and side view monitors gives you total visibility. Every system on this Berkshire, From the dual-roof ACs with heat pumps to the heavy-duty cooling system, is designed to provide a top-tier travel experience with maximum durability. Let's head inside and see how Forest River's interior craftsmanship and that massive sleeping capacity continue in the cabin. Step up into the Berkshire and you are immediately greeted by a wide-open, residential-style interior. The 40BH floor plan is a masterpiece of design, managing to sleep up to 10 people comfortably. One of the first things you will feel is the beautiful ceramic tile flooring that runs throughout the entire coach. It is durable, easy to clean, and gives the interior a very high-end look. You'll notice the high-quality cabinetry and the sheer amount of floor space created by those 4 large slide-outs. It truly feels like a custom home on wheels from the moment you step through the door. The kitchen is fully equipped for the traveling chef. You have a massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop for fast and efficient cooking, and a microwave convection oven. The residential sink and faucet make cleanup simple, and you have solid surface countertops that provide plenty of room for meal prep. There is also a dedicated pantry storage area, ensuring you can keep all your groceries organized for the whole crew. In the front lounge, we have a great social setup, featuring a jackknife sleeper loveseat. For entertainment, you have a 32-inch TV mounted above the cockpit seats, so no one misses the action. The cockpit itself features plush captain's chairs that provide a commanding view of the road and swivel around to join the lounge when you're parked. It is a grand social space that makes every mile enjoyable. Across from the loveseat is the convertible booth dinette. This is your hub for family meals or a morning cup of coffee. It easily transforms into an additional bed, contributing to that massive 10-person sleeping capacity that makes this floor plan so desirable. The main living room also features a large pull-out sleeper sofa. This area is perfectly positioned to enjoy the primary entertainment center, which features a 40-inch TV. Right below the TV is an electric fireplace that adds a cozy ambiance and provides a great source of electric heat. It's the perfect place to unwind after a day of adventure. Moving toward the rear, we find the bunkhouse part of the 40BH. We have 2 dedicated bunk beds, and look at the setup. Each bunk has its own individual TV. A fantastic feature here is that this bunk area can actually transform into an additional closet when you don't need the beds. It gives you incredible flexibility for however you choose to travel. The private bathroom is centrally located and very spacious. The standout feature is the huge shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds a lot of height and natural light. You have a solid surface vanity with a sink, plenty of storage for your toiletries, and a toilet. A power vent fan is installed to keep the air fresh. It's a clean, functional space with premium fixtures that really complete the luxury feel of the Berkshire. Having a bathroom of this size is a major plus when you are traveling with a full house of 10 people. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach. It features a comfortable queen-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing plenty of walk-around space. You have your own 32-inch TV back here, along with a ceiling fan to keep the air moving and the room comfortable on those warm nights. Storage is a major highlight, with a massive wardrobe closet and deep drawer storage for all your travel attire. And for the ultimate inconvenience, this coach comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer. Unlike the combo units, having separate machines allows you to wash and dry simultaneously while you enjoy your vacation. Because this room is separated from the main living area, it serves as a quiet sanctuary for a great night's rest. The ceramic tile floor continues into this room, and the overall fit and finish, from the solid wood cabinetry to the lighting, really emphasizes the Berkshire quality. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning on extended travel with the family, this master suite provides every luxury you could possibly ask for. It is a quiet, comfortable space that ensures you get a great night's rest before the next day's drive. As we walk back through the coach and head outside, it is easy to see why the 2017 Forest River Berkshire 40BH is such a fantastic choice for families. To recap, you are looking at a CARFAX one-owner bunkhouse with only 33,000 miles. You're getting the power and reliability of the Cummins ISL engine on a heavy-duty Freightliner XCR chassis, with brand new tires all the way around. With 4 slides, 2 bunk beds with TVs, sleeping for 10, the stackable washer and dryer, and that stunning ruby Tundra full-body paint, this coach is fully loaded and ready for its next owner. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in our inventory and love showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon, and as always, happy camping!